Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
नेम पाळनाशिल्ल्या STP आनी ETP प्रकल्पांचेर प्रदूषण नियंत्रण मंडळ खर नदर दवरून आसा. नेमांचे उल्लंघन करपी ह्या प्रकल्पा आड प्रदूषण नियंत्रण मंडळान दिल्ले निर्देश अशे. पयले फावट कायद्याचे उल्लंघन जाल्ल्यान बोर्डा वरवीं 5,000 रुपयांचो दंड. दुसरी खेप उल्लंघन जाल्यार 20,000 रुपयांचो दंड पडटलो. सगळ्या STP आनी ETP प्रकल्पांक 6 म्हयन्यांचे मुदती भितर ऑनलायन IoT आधारीत उपकरणां मॉनिटरिंग सिस्टम बसोवपाचो आदेश दिला. बोर्ड ह्या ऑनलायन सिस्टमा वरवीं प्रकल्पाच्या उपकरणांचेर लक्ष दवरतले. देखरेखी वेळार कसलीय चूक जाल्ल्यान सिस्टम बसोवप्याक 10,000 रुपया मेरेन दंड जावपाची शक्यता.
Any parameters are very high, we used to issue directions to the unit or the establishments asking for seeking for the explanation, and then used to issue the directions for the closure. Now what happens in case of hospitals, like or the bigger residential complex where elderly people are staying, hospitals, if you say that patients are there, and if we find that STP, if any exigencies are there, we issuing closure directions will not be appropriate because the patients are also there. So what we have decided, they have to put a online meter. With that online meter, system will come to know if there are exigencies which are there. And if the exigencies, we are going to do the water analysis sample, and after doing the water analysis sample, we will come to know if that any parameter is high. We are asking him to pay some penalty or the fees we are going to ask him. Second time also again we are going to do the analysis. Again we are asked for the environmental compensation they have to pay. And till the time that STP or the ETP works functionally proper, like we are going to tell them to discharge that sewage into the nearest government plant.
Okay. Used to issue the closure direction. No?
Used to issue
Now
the
there is no
directions.
closure direction.
Yeah, because not in all the cases.
Okay.
We have to deal with case to case basis also.
Okay,
When I said a hospital here, then how I can tell a hospital to close it down. Like,
Correct.
what about the patients who are there?
मल्टी ड्वेलिंग युनिट, हॉस्पिटल, हॉटेलां, भौशीक उपयुक्तताय आनी हेर संस्था केस टू केस तत्वांचेर ही मार्गदर्शक तत्वां आपणायतले. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश घाडी.